Hi, I'm Teacher Ahmed. Welcome to Ponsa Spoken English online class. And today I'm gonna teach you how to improve your vocabulary with daily routines. Wake up. Hirriba dammaquu yookiin hirriba ka'uu, kanqalf manqaat yookiin kanqalf mannasaat.
Wash your face. Wash your face.
Number 2, wash your face. Fuula keessan dhiqadhaa. Fiitoon hiixaxabu.
Take a shower. Take a shower.
Number 3, take a shower. Shower fudhadhaa yookiin qaama dhiqadhaa. Shower ibsadu wayim hiixaxabu. Okay, number 4, brush your teeth. Ilkaan keessan rigadhaa, xirsoon iboorreshu ማለት ነው.
Get dressed. Get dressed.
Number 5, get dressed. Uffata, uffadhaa, ልብስ ይልበሱ ወይም ልብስ መልበስ.
Brush your hair. Brush your hair.
Number 6, brush your hair. Rifeensa borroshadhaa, ፀጉሩን ይቦርሹ.
Do your hair. Do your hair.
Number 7, do your hair. Rifeensa keessan sirreeffadhaa, ፀጉሩን ያስተካክሉ.
Make your bed. Make your bed.
Number 8, make your bed. Siree afuu, algaa maanxaf ወይም ደግሞ አልጋውን ያንጠፉ.
Put on makeup. Put on makeup.
Number 9, put on makeup. ሜካፕ ዲበችው, ሜካፕ መቀባት ወይም ሜካፕ ማድረግ.
Have breakfast. Have breakfast.
Number 10, have breakfast. ciree nyaachuu, ቁርስ መብላት ወይም ቁርስ ይብሉ.
Go to school. Go to school.
Go to school. gara mana barnootaa deemuu, ወደ ትምህርት ቤት መሄድ.
Drive to work. Drive to work.
Number 12, drive to work. gara hojiitti konkolaachisuu, ወደ ስራ ማሽከርከር.
Work. Work.
work hojjechuu, መስራት.
Study. Study.
Number 14, study. ቆና ወይም ቆቹ ጥናት ወይም ማጥናት.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Number 15, wash your hands. harka dhiqadhaa yookiin harka dhiqachuu, ijoon
Have lunch. Have lunch.
Number 16, have lunch. laaqana nyaachuu yookiin laaqana nyaadhaa, misaa ibluu ወይም ምሳ መብላት.
Leave school. Leave school.
Number 17. Leave school. Mana barnootaatii bahuu katimarti beet
Get home.
mawtaati.
Get home.
Number 18. Get home. Mana bira gahuu wada beet madras wayin damo beet ka madras.
Take a nap. Take a nap.
Number 19. Take a nap. Guyyaa hojii booda hirriba xinnoo rafuu kan kasraa bu'aalaa ትንሽ እንቅልፍ መተኛት ማለት ነው.
Have a snack. Have a snack.
Number 20. Have a snack. Maksasa nyaada yookiin maksas nyaachuu maksas sibiluu wayim maksas mablaas.
Do homework. Do homework.
Number 21. Do homework. Hojii manaa hojjedhaa jabees siraa'uun iyyisru.
Play computer games. Play computer games.
Number 22. Play computer game. Tapha kompiitaraa taphachuu yoo kompiitara cawaataዎችን መጫወት ወይም ይጫወቱ.
Read a book. Read a book.
Number 23. Read a book. Kitaaba dubbisuu matsaafin maanbab ወይም
Play with
መጽሐፍ
peers.
ያንብቡ.
Play with peers.
Number 24. Play with peers. ህርያ ወይን taphachuu ከጉያዎች ጋር መጫወት ወይም ይጫወቱ.
Ride a bike. Ride a bike.
Number 25. Ride a bike. Cycle oofu biskiliት መንዳት.
Go shopping. Go shopping.
Number 26. Go shopping. Gara gabaa yookiin gara suuqii deemuu wada gabaa ወይም ወደ ሱቅ መሄድ.
Listen to music. Listen to music.
Number 27. Listen to the music. ሙዚቃ dhaggeeffachuu ሙዚቃ ማዳመጥ ወይም ሙዚቃ
Exercise. Exercise.
Number 28. Exercise. Jabeen qaamaa hojjechuu የአካል ብቃት እንቅስቃሴ ማድረግ.
Mop the floor. Mop the floor.
Number 29. Mop the floor. lafa mana keessaa haxaa'uu የቤት ወለሉን ማጽዳት.
Vacuum. Vacuum.
Number 13. Vacuum. Vacuum. Vacuum.
Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
Number 31. Take out the trash. ቆሻሻ ገባሱ ቆሻሻውን ማስወገድ.
Water the lawn. Water the lawn.
Number 32. Water the lawn. marga mooraa keessaa bishaan obaasu የሳር ሜዳውን ውሃ ማጠጣት።
Go for a walk. Go for a walk.
Number 33 go for a walk ወኪ ደሙ ወክ ማድረግ።
Watch TV. Watch TV.
Number 34 watch TV TV ይላሉ TV ይመልከቱ ወይም TV መመልከት።
Do the laundry. Do the laundry.
Number 35 do the laundry ማሽናን ፈተደቁ በልብስ ማጠቢያው ልብሱን ማጠብ።
Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes.
Number 36 hang the clothes uffata akka goguuf fannisu yookiin bal'isu ልብሶችን masqal.
Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes.
Number 37 iron the clothes uffata kawyaa gochuu ልብሶቹን ወይ ልብስን መተኮስ።
Do the dishes.
Number 38 do the dishes meeshaalee nyaatatti nyaatan dhiqu ምግብ የሚበላበት ሳህኖችን ማጠብ።
Do the dusting. Do the dusting.
Number 39 do the dusting ቡኬ ቁልቁሌሱ አባራውን ማጽዳት ወይም ደግሞ መጥረግ።
Make dinner. Make dinner.
Number 14 make a dinner እርባት hojjechuu እራት መስራት።
Have dinner. Have dinner.
Number 41 have dinner እርባት ተኛችሁ እራት መብላት።
Take a bath. Take a bath.
Number 42 take a bath ቃማ ድቃችሁ ገላም መታጠብ።
Dry your hair. Dry your hair.
For 3 dry your hair rifeensa keessan gogsaa yookiin immoo rifeensa goggoysuu ፀጉሩን ያድርጉ ወይም
Go to
ፀጉሩን
bed.
ማድረግ።
Go to bed.
Number 44 go to bed ribaaf gara siree deemu wada manyita. Finally, I would like to thank you kids page.
Thanks
Please
for
don't
watching.
forget to
For
share,
more teaching
subscribe,
resources and printable
like.
materials,
See you
visit
there.
www.kidspages.com.